TIPS Engineer Zone is a group of electrical engineers, basically provide online industrial-based training and courses. TIPS Engineer Zone is an online education platform that provides courses related to electrical engineering. The website offers a range of courses covering topics such as transformer design calculation, high voltage testing, solar power systems, electrician training, and more. Students can access video lectures, eBooks, and other learning materials on the website and study at their own pace. The courses are designed to be accessible to students from all over the world, and offer 24/7 customer support to assist with any questions or issues that may arise. In college curriculum, engineering students are not getting better education, lack of industrial knowledge that most of engineering students are unemployment, very difficulty in getting job. Our organization provide industrial courses so that engineering student easily get job as per knowledge industrial courses. Available courses on website is TIPS Engineer Zone provides several online courses in the field of electrical engineering. Some of the courses they offer are online transformer design calculation courses, online high voltage testing courses, online transformer testing course, online solar power system course, online electrician course, online high voltage capacitor design calculation courses, online high voltage impulse resistor design calculation course, online welding course, online blogging, blogspot web design course, tan delta testing, high voltage testing training, online job interview preparation, tips for resume and cover letter, online course, online electrical engineering course. Each course includes a list of videos, study materials, and sample ebooks. The courses are designed to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of the topic and practical knowledge to apply in the field. Visit website for more details: www.tipsengineerzone.in.